Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Begin by understanding the core functionality of ThreatConnect. Log in to your ThreatConnect account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your security metrics. Next, access the Threat Intelligence section. Here, you can integrate various threat feeds. Choose the relevant feeds that align with your organization's needs. Once selected, configure the settings for these feeds. This ensures you're receiving the most pertinent information. After the integration, move to the Analyst tools. Utilize the Indicators of Compromise feature. Here, you can track and analyze potential threats. Create custom queries to refine your alerts further. Next, visit the Response tab in the interface. Here, you can develop and execute response plans. Use the Playbooks feature for automated responses. Create a new playbook by selecting the appropriate triggers. Add actions based on your organization's policies. Once your playbook is ready, test it to ensure reliability. Next, focus on the collaboration tools. Invite team members to join the platform. Share insights and findings in real time. Leverage the Cases feature to track incidents. Document all findings and responses within your cases. This helps maintain a comprehensive record. Now, utilize the reporting capabilities. Generate reports to analyze trends over time. Use these insights for strategic decision-making. Regularly review and update your threat intelligence feeds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.